Women who are facing workspace related issues, you can contact and approach to Telangana State Women Commission. Most of the women ask what really happens after we give a complaint to them. When you approach Women Commission, they don't ignore your voice because Women Commission works for women dignity. They issue notice and call for inquiry. If employer is not responding to your notices, they coordinate with the concerned department. Their role is to ensure accountability and safe for the women. You're not alone. TSWC stand with women dignity and respect of the women. So, if you have any workspace related issues, kindly contact to Telangana State Women Commission.